We all think that builders are lazy arse slackers who are always on a tea break. So when I heard there were 3 builders from Essex that were constantly whinging the fact that they never had chance to eat properly or cook for themselves, I had to meet them. These boys rip out and replace kitchens across Essex, and they reckon this leaves them no time to cook or eat properly.
I'm fed up eating the same thing every day. It's just pork pies, chocolate bars, crisps.
You just really don't get the time to go out there and get something to eat on a proper basis. It's always a case, the nearest location where you're working, that's where you're going to go and eat.
Would love Gordon to help us create something, ideally within half an hour, to keep us on fire throughout the day.
Everyone's got time to cook if they've got the right recipes. And I mean everyone. Essex builders. Nah, they're probably having a fucking bacon sandwich or sat on their arse. Gentlemen, good morning. How are we?
Tony.
Tony, good to see you, big boy. You well?
Hi, Gordon, I'm Harry.
Harry, nice to see you.
Oh, mate, Gary.
Gary, how are you, big boy?
Good. Bye, mate, yeah.
So why have you got a reputation for being such lazy fuckers?
Not us. Definitely not this site. No way.
So-
We're dealing with people's homes. This is not some,
No.
building site where if you are sitting on your arse in a porter cabin or something, you can get away with it.
Right. How long would it really seriously take to rip the kitchen out? Without any tea breaks
What, to
or
rip it
bacon
out?
butty? Yeah.
The actual rip,
Yeah.
about an hour maximum.
I'd like to see how difficult it is ripping out a kitchen.
It's not.
I'd like to become a proper builder.
Yeah, I'd like to become a proper chef.
Maybe not with fucking bling bling like that.
You like to bling alone, mate, yeah?
Jesus Christ, there's more gold on that than there is in fucking
say-
carriages.
For one.
Go on, do us a favour, mate. Can you get my hammer 4 out of that box first, please, mate?
Hammer 4?
Yeah.
Fuck me, what is a hammer 4?
For banging nails in!
What tattoo have we got on there? What is it? The tattoo? PG tips?
Yeah, teabag.
Well, you're not just doing this because I'm here today, are you?
No, joking. I do
Every
this on a
single
daily,
day
mate.
of the week
Every
we do
day.
this,
Yeah.
every day.
You're fucking grafters. You work your ass off, yet you're fucking abusing yourselves. I'm going to show you my tool now. My tool is a powerful gas stove in the builder's tent. There's still half an hour demolishing left to do, so I'm going to show the Rubble brothers that they can cook a delicious lunch in less than 25 minutes. Yeah, we haven't got much time, yeah? We're going to do a very quick, easy beef stew. Onions, garlic, thyme.
Hey, look at the style of this!
Leave that on there. The secret behind this dish is one pot. So it's like a one-pot wonder, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good man. Simple philosophy, no colour, no flavour. The reason why I've cut them into small chunks like that is to cook it faster. Right. These guys had better get a move on. I am not going to be beaten by a builder with a bum crack big enough to park a bike in. Yeah? Very good. Little smell. Tablespoon of tomato puree. So creme fraiche. It just lightens up a little bit.
That is amazing. In such short time.
Amazing how quick it comes together. Gary?
This is where all the hard work's been going on.
Gary, you've been working hard, my man. There you go, look.
You'd never get this quality food from a takeaway.
No.
Harry, I can't believe you cooked this, mate.
Yeah, I'm going back to my own kitchen now. But first, here. This. It's for you guys. Yeah, I want it in the back of the van. I want you to use it. Turn it on, get it hot, put your pan on, and cook.
Yep.
Yes?
Definitely.
I've always wanted a drum machine.
So.